Welcome! In today's video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to disable app icon badges for reminders on Messenger. If you're tired of those little notification dots constantly popping up on your app icon, this is the easiest way to turn them off once and for all. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your phone's settings. This is where all of your app management tools live, and where we'll be making the change. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section gives you a list of all the apps installed on your device. From the list, go ahead and find Messenger, then tap on it. Once you're inside Messenger's settings, you'll see all the options tied to how the app behaves on your phone. Now select Notifications. This is the key area where you can customize what types of alerts you receive and how you see them. Inside Notifications, the next step is to open Notification Categories. Notification categories allow you to control specific types of alerts, rather than having to disable all notifications at once. Once you're in the categories list, look for the one labeled Reminders, and tap on it. Now, here's the final step. Simply toggle off app icon badges. By doing this, you'll stop seeing the badge count on the Messenger icon for reminders. The reminders will still exist if you want to see them within the app, but your home screen will stay clean without that extra red dot. And that's it. You're all set. You've successfully disabled app icon badges for reminders in Messenger. No more badge notifications taking up your attention when you don't need them. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to apply it to your own device and enjoy a clutter-free home screen. Thanks for watching.